morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are hale and hearty at home. Okay, so let's begin our today's class. We are studying chapter 1, large numbers. Okay, so we have covered topics. What topics we have covered? We have covered place value of a digit, face value of a digit, face value of a digit, right? Place value of a digit, face value of a digit, and what we have learnt up to yesterday, we learned 5-digit place value chart, right? 5-digit place value chart. And with the help of 5-digit place value chart, you would be able to read the 5-digit numbers and you are able to write the 5-digit numbers in words, right? So let's move to our next topic, that is the standard form or short form of an expanded number. Okay, our today's topic is short form. How to write the number in short form or in a standard form. Okay, so open page number 6, question number 4. Open page number 6, question number 4 of exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, page number 6, question number 4. Here the question is write in short form. Write in short form. Okay, one has been done for you. So I am doing the B1. Okay. How to do this? Okay. So what is given? 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 1. Okay, and you have to write the answer over here in the blank. Okay, so to write in short form, what is the step? The first step to write in to get the short form of expanded number. What is the first step? First step is that you have to arrange all these numbers. You have to put all these numbers in place value table. Okay, what you have to do, you have to put all these numbers in place value table. Okay, so let's make a place value table. It starts from ones, it starts from the right, and the place value is ones, tens, hundreds. Then what comes? Which place comes? Left to the 100, thousands place comes. Okay, I am writing the notations only, and you also have to write notations only. Now you know, now you are aware of these notations. Okay, now left to the 1000, what comes? What place comes? Okay, good, 10,000 comes. Okay, so now start putting all these numbers in place value chart. Our first number is 60,000. So put it at ones place 0 is there, tens place 0 is there, hundreds place 0 is there, at thousands place 0 is there, and at 6 place 10,000 place 6 is there, right? Okay, so you have put all the numbers. Now come to the next number. Next number is 5,000. At 5,000 at ones place 0 is there, so you have to put 0 at ones place. Okay, can you see? I am writing in a column. So you also have to write all the digits according to column wise. Okay, column wise you have to write the numbers. In 5,000 you can see this 0 is located at tens place, so I am putting 0 here. Then at hundreds place 0 is there, then at thousands place 5 is there, so I am putting 5 at thousands place. Now move to the next number. Next number is 200. Now at 200 0 is located at ones place, so I am putting 0. Then tens 0, then 2. Okay, the next number is 8080. Now put this number in the place value table. Okay. Then next number is 1. Now add up all these numbers. We remember that you have to write all these digits in column. You can clearly see that I have written all the numbers in a column. So make sure you are writing all the numbers in column. Okay, now start adding all these. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. What will be your answer? Your answer will be 1. Right, good. Now move to the tens place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. What will come? Good. Here 8 will come. Okay. Now add here 0 plus 0 plus 2. 2. Good. Now add here. Here you can see that no digit is here. It means no need to worry about this. If here nothing, you consider here 0. Okay. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Here as you can see here no digits are there. Only 6 is here. So you will write 6 as it is. Okay. So this is the short form of the number. Okay. This is the, what is this? This is the short form. Okay. So we will write here in our answer what is the short form. 65281. We get 65281. Put the comma according to Indian system. What we do? How we put comma? How we place comma according to Indian system? We start from the right, and what we do? We leave 3 digits and put comma, then 2 digits and put comma, then 2 digits, then put comma. Okay. So here you can see that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are here. So you have to place only 1 comma. Where you will put this comma? From the right side of the number, you will put comma after the 3 digits. Okay. So count 1, 2, 3. So you will put comma over here. So this is the short form of the given expanded number. Okay. Do this. In the same manner, we are going to do the question number C. In the same manner, we are going to do question number C. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Next question is C 5 followed by 5 zeros plus 1 followed by 3 zeros plus 6 followed by 1 zero plus 3. Now what is the question? You have to write short form of this expanded number, right? So what is the first step I told you? The first step is that you have to write or put all these numbers in place value table. So first step to make place value table. Let's make place value table. Okay. Okay. Start making place value table. First see how many digits in the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to make place value table of for 6 digit, right? You have to make place value table for 6 digits. So let's make it. Ones place comes to the left, tens place comes, then hundreds place comes, then after the 100 what place comes? Which place comes? Thousands. Very good. Then let's guess what will come. Left to the 1000. What will come? Guess fast. Good. 10,000. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 places we have written. But our number is of 6 digits. So we have to write 6 places. Okay. So what comes guess. What comes? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Then lakh. Good. Lakh place comes. Okay. We have met. We have write the places. Now start putting all the numbers fastly. Okay. But make sure when you write the numbers, your number should be according to their places, or it should be in column wise. Okay. You have to write all the numbers according to column wise. The next number is 1000. So should I write 1000 like this from here? Is it a right way? No, it's not a right way to write the number. Here you can see that in 1000 0 is at ones place, here 0 is at tens place, but here what you write? You write this 0 at hundreds place, this 0 at thousands place. So did you put corrected? No, right? So you have to put this 0 at ones place, this 0 at tens place, this 0 at hundreds place, and 1 at thousands place. Okay. Now come to the next number, that is 6060. So in 60 you can see 0 is at ones place and 6 is at tens place. Now put 0 at ones place, 6 at tens place. Okay. Now come to the next number, that is 3. Put this 3 in ones column. Okay. Now you have to put the symbol. What you are performing? You are performing addition here. So put plus sign. Okay. Now you can see that I have written all my numbers in column. Okay, can you see it? I have written all the numbers in column. So you have to do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the addition part. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3. What you will get? You will get only 3. Good. Then 0 plus 0 plus 6. What will you get? You will get, good, you will get 6. Next 0 plus 0. Nothing. 0. 0 plus 1. 1. Now here you can see that no digits are there and only 0 is there. So you will put 0. In lakhs place only 5 is there. So put 5. So this will be your short form of the given number. See how easy it is to get a short form of expanded number. What you have to do? You have to do only 2 steps. First, arrange all the numbers in place value table according to column wise, and then add up them all. Okay. So write here, write your answer here. 50106 Okay. Now you have to put commas according to Indian system of numeration. Okay. So what you do to put commas? You start from the right and you leave 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 and put a comma. Then you leave 2 digits. Then put a comma. If more digits were there, then what I do? I will do leave 2 digits and put a comma. Leave 2 digits and put a comma. Okay. Okay. Note it down. The remaining 2 questions will be your homework work. That is D and E will be your homework. D and E will be your homework. I hope you have noted it down. So I am rubbing the board. Write the short form of a given expanded number. You put all the numbers in place value table according to column wise and then add up them all. Okay. The remaining questions will be homework. Question number 4. A, D, E. Homework. Okay. You have to perform by your own this. You have to try try and check your answer. Okay. Okay, let's do question number 2. Okay, let's do question number 2. Write in figures the number names were given for you. What is given? The number names are given and you have to write in figures. You have to write the numbers. Okay. So let's do question number 2 of exercise 1.1 on page number 6. We are doing question number 2. A is already done for you, so I am doing the B. B is 44,000, 10. Okay, 44,010 is given. You have to write this in numbers. Okay, so what you will do? You will make first place value chart. Okay, make a place value chart. In place value chart, what comes? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000 place. But here you can see that, okay, 10,000 place. And what you have to do now? You have to write the numbers. Okay, the number name is given. You have to write the number. So you can see that 44 is written before the 1000. So you will write it in thousands period. It is thousands period. It is thousands period, right? Okay. And it is ones period. It is period. Periods row. It is place row. Here you write all the places and here you will write number. Okay. So 44 is written before 1000. So you will write 44 in thousands period. Here you can see that in thousands period two places are there. So you will write in 1, 4 and 4. 4 and 4 is 44,000. Okay. So you have done up to here. Now here written is 10. So how you will write 10? 0 at ones place and 1 at tens place. This is how you write 10. Okay. And here you can see nothing is there. So if nothing is there, you will put a 0. Don't need to bother about it. If nothing is there or nothing is written for it, you have to put a 0 for it. Okay. So this is how you write the number for the given number name. Number name was given and you had now written what? You write the number. Okay. So what is your answer? 44,010. Now put comma according to Indian system. What we do according to Indian system, where we place comma from the right of the digit, from the right side of the digit, we start leaving the digits. 1, 2, 3 digits, put a comma. Then after 2 digits, put a comma. Then after 2 digits, put a comma. Okay. This is how we do the question number 2. Let's take one more example of the same question. Okay, let's take one more example of the same question. That is question number 2. Okay, let's do the C of question number 2. What is the number name given? 63,257. Oh, it's so big. Big number name is given. But don't worry, we will deal with it. 63 63,257. Okay, so what is the first step? You will make a place value table. Okay, so make it first period, then places, then what comes? Period, places, then number will come. Okay, period, thousands period and ones period. Okay, two periods are there, thousands period and ones period. Okay, places, what places will come in ones period? What places comes? Ones, tens and 100 places comes. Okay, and in thousands period what comes? What places, which places comes? Thousands place and 10,000 place comes. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to use this number name to write the number. Okay, so let's start. We have done first step. We had made place value chart. Okay, now we are going to write the number. So here you see 63. 63 is written before 1000. So 63 will come in thousands period. Where 63 you will write 63 in thousands period. Okay, so here you write in, this is the thousands period. Okay, this is the thousands period, this is the thousands period. So you write 63 over here. Okay, now move to the next. What you will write? Here written is 200. 200. So 2 is written before 100. So you will write this 2 in hundreds column, right? Then 57. You know how to write 57. Then this is how you write the number. So how you write it? 63257 and put comma according to Indian system. How you will put comma? Yes, how you will put comma? You will leave, starting from the right side of the number, you will leave 3 digits and put a comma. Okay, so this is how we do this. See how difficult it was looking before doing this. It was a very big number, but how simple it is to do. Okay, 2 steps were there. What were they? First make place value chart, then write according to its number. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. It is the vice versa of the question number 2. Vice versa means just opposite what you have to do in this question. Okay. One more homework is for you all. Note down. Question number 2. This is also the homework of exercise 1.1, page number 6. Homework, question number 2, A, D and E. You have to do it by your own. Okay? If you have any difficulty, you can ask me at my WhatsApp number. Okay? This is the second homework. Now come to the question number 3. In question number number is given. Now you have to write the number name. So how you will write? You write the number name according to its period, okay? So put this number in place value chart. Put this number in place value chart. So how you will make place value chart? First you write period, then places comes, then number comes, okay? Period, thousands period, and here what comes? Ones period comes. In ones period, you know, ones period is made up of ones period, ones place, tens place and hundreds place, and thousands period is made up of thousands place and 10,000s place. Now put the number in it. First, do it quickly. Put the number 78081. Okay, you have put it this number. What your task is to do is to write number name. So you have to write number name means you have to write this number in words. Number names means you have to write this number in words. So I have given you the table of the number names, number and its number name. Okay, you have to learn that table properly. Okay, if you learn the number names, then only you can do this question. So the tables I have given to you in the previous class is that those number names you have to learn very properly, okay, so that you can do this question number 3. Okay, now start writing the numbers. So you can see that 7 and 8 both are written in thousands period. Okay, the 7 and 8 number, that is 78, read these 7 and 8 together because they are written in a only one single period, that is in thousands period. So read them all together. What are they? 78. So write 78. Now its period's name. After the 78, what you will write? Its period name. What is its period? Thousands. So 78 and period's name. 78,000. You have done 78,000. Now what comes? Here 0 is written at hundreds place. So do you need to write about 0? No need to write about it. Okay. So now to the next number. What is this? How you will read digits? How you will read these last digits? What is that number if I hide all these? It is 81. So write it simply 81. What is the number and name of this? 81. So write EIGHTY80ONE1. Okay. So for all the questions, I think you have to make this place value chart and do the further step. In this question also there are 2 steps. First, make the place value table and then write the number name. How you write the number name? First you write the numbers together, then its period, then numbers, then periods, then number, then periods. Okay. Let's do another question of question number 3. Let's do another question of this. Okay, I'm going to do C for you. So for this you have to write the number name, means how you will read this number. Okay, so see how many digits are there, count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 digits are there, and our place value chart is 1 2 3 4 5, only 5 digits. It is for only 5 digits, so make it for the 6 digits. So what comes after the 10,000 place? What comes left to the 10,000? Lakhs value come. Okay, lakhs place comes. So this lakh will come in which period? It will come in lakhs period. Okay, so these are our periods, these are places, and below this you will write number. So write. Now start putting the given number in the place value table. Now start putting the given number in place value table. As you can see here, 2 is at 1's place, so you will write this 2 at 1's column. Okay. Then 1 is at 10's place, so put 1 at 10's place. Then 1 is there at 100's place, so put 1 at 100's column. Okay. You have write the 3 digits. Then left to the 1, again 2 is there, so write 2 at 1000's place, then 2 at 10,000's place, then put the last 2 at lakhs place. Okay, we fill the number, we put the number in place value chart. Now it's time to write the number name. Okay, number name. Okay, what I told you, that read the number then its period, read the number then its period. So start reading from the left side, start reading, always start reading the number from the leftmost side of the number. So this is the number, this is my right hand, this is the right side. Okay, and this is the left side, so you will start reading the number from this side. Okay, so here 2 is written, 2 is written, you will read the number then its period. So only 2 is written in lakhs period, so 2, then what is its period? 2 lakhs. Okay, then here you come, so you see at 1000's period 2 digits are there, at 1000's period 2 digits are there, so you will read these 2 digits together. What you will do? You will read these 2 digits together. So what is this? 2 to 22, right? How you will read these 2 to 22? Now you write the 22. Now what you will do? You will write its period as the number, then period. So you read the number, then write its period. What is the period of 22? The period of 22 is 1000. So write thousands. Okay, I made a mistake. Thousands. Okay. 2 lakhs, 22,000. Now you can read, if I hide all these numbers, all these digits, can you read the last 2 digits? What is it? 112. How you will read it? 112, right? So write it in words. Now after the 22,000s, what comes? 112. 112. Okay, so this is like we end up here. Okay, these are the 2 steps to write the number name of any given number. What is the steps? What are the steps? First, write all the digits of given number in place value table. Then write its number name according to its period. Write number then its period, number then its period. question of this will be homework for you guys. Okay, so I am writing the homework. If you have any doubt or queries, you can ask on WhatsApp, or when we continue our classes. Okay, so what is the homework? Question number 2, A, D and E. Question number 3, D, E and F. Okay, where is the homework? Exercise 1.1, page number 6. Homework is this. Okay, I hope all the concepts are clear. If you have any doubt, you can re-watch this video to clear your doubt. Thank you all. Meet you tomorrow.